Hello. This is JLo. She's a part of the kitchen staff. We're doing our crew day. Oh, and there's Rachel. And then Michaela, obviously. So we're all the girls on the kitchen crew. Oh, well, obviously Kaylee's right there. So we went to a coffee shop, as you can see. And, oh, that's actually just a stand. The next place we're going to is
Cane's drive-thru.
Cane's.
We're gonna go to the drive-thru for those who want Cane's, and then we're gonna go to In-N-Out.
This is the food. No. Kaylee's playing a video game from Cane's drive-thru. Isaac's eating his food. Hats. Kaylee looks so sad.
Just reviewing me where like
Yeah.
Will, you can't.
You ever see someone with a Ferris wheel?
Happy holiday. Happy holiday. Happy holiday. Happy holiday. While the merry bells keep ringing. Happy holiday to you. Happy holiday.
That's not them.
Happy holiday.
Out of all the reindeers, you know you're the mastermind. Run, run, Rudolph. Randolph ain't too far behind. Run, run, Rudolph.
On to the escape room.
Santa, make him hurry. Tell him he can take the freeway down. Run, run.
Rachel's ready.
So scared. Like a merry-go-round.
This is the one.
the escape rooms. It's just like a normal room with things like this one. Oh, where's car stuff?
Who carried the team?
Probably Sean.
Sean?
I think so.
I kind of feel like that was a group effort.
I feel like
everyone did everything.
Sean had some big like aha moments.
Yeah. Which
My favorite moment was when I said the order of the things on the burner, and then Sean was like, "Yes, it's this and this and this." And right after I just that was good.
10 out of 10.
And Curtis, you scaring?
That was awesome.
It's the holiday season, and Santa Claus is coming round. The Christmas snow is white on the ground. When old Santa gets into town, he'll be coming down the chimney down. He'll be coming down the chimney down. It's the
Is it going? Okay, we are playing skee ball. Me and Rachel. She's putting her quarters in. We're supposed to be counting down. Maybe that's how much space out. Okay, here we go.
Coming down the chimney down.
When he's coming down the chimney down.
I won. Here.
Upon his back, and lots of good is for you and for me. So leave a peppermint stick for old
I think I
Saint
got last
Nick.
place.
Hang
Oh, no, I
it
didn't.
on the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
It's the holiday season. So whoop-dee-doo, and dickory-dock. Don't forget to hang up your sock, 'cause just exactly at 12 o'clock he'll be coming down the chimney down.
Wait, get your face.
Can you tell what song we were doing?
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
She likes to do drugs too. She in love with guns too. Say you too piped up, but I think that I love you. I'm a party girl. She just wanna have fun too.
Shake a little ass, you get a little bag and take it to the store. Get a little cash, you shake it real fast, you get a little more. I got my legs, I got a baby, I need some money. Yeah, that's me busting that bubble. I'm the
Strangers in the night, exchanging glances, wandering in the night. What were the chances we'd be sharing love before the night was through? Something in your eyes was so inviting, something in your smile.
You scream.
Ice cream. Oh, Rachel's not having it.
I'm in a food coma.
Kaylee hates the camera.
Oh, I don't. I love it.
What's
Was so exciting, something in my heart told me I must have you.
Oh gosh, it's like blowing.
Strangers in the night, two lonely people, we were strangers in the night.
Whoa!